to be grateful for. Yeah, I've been with a lot of bands, but I never thought that I'd get ahead. Until now.
Hello, I'm Mr. Head. A corpse is a corpse, of course, and no one can talk to a corpse, of course. That is, of course, unless the corpse is the famous Mr. Head.
You never heard of a talking corpse?
Well, listen to this. I am Mr. Head.
Yeah, that was great, but don't let it go to your head.
Oh, throw me a bone, will ya?
How about a funny bone? You don't seem to be using it.
All right, you two, cut it out. Now look, I know all the ghouls couldn't make it here tonight, so we have to work with this skeleton crew. But let's give the nice kids that showed up what they came for. How about we sing a Halloween carol? Yeah, I like them. They're my favorite.
Hi.
Hi.
Go up the walkway.
Whoa.
Go up the walkway, ring the doorbell. What? No. Oh man, the cops are here.